Want stronger arms without turning your home into a full gym? All you need is a pair of dumbbells. According to strength coaches, dumbbells are one of the best tools for building arm strength. They're simple, joint-friendly, and perfect for beginners. With light to moderate weights and proper form, you can build strong arms safely.
Resistance training helps prevent muscle loss, improves posture, supports daily activities, and keeps you strong and independent as you age. Consistency matters more than heavy weight.
Seated reclined dumbbell curl. 1. This exercise targets your biceps while reducing cheating. Sit on a slightly reclined bench. Keep your elbows steady. Curl the dumbbells up, squeeze at the top, and lower slowly. Focus on control, not momentum. 2. Seated overhead triceps extension. To hit all 3 heads of the triceps, overhead extensions work best. Keep your core tight, elbows close to your ears. Lower the dumbbell behind your head, then press back up smoothly. 3. Seated lateral raise. Lateral raises strengthen your shoulders and improve posture. Stay seated. Lift your arms out to the sides like a T. Lead with your elbows and lower slowly to avoid strain. 4. Dumbbell reverse fly. This move strengthens your upper back and rear shoulders. Hinge forward, pull your arms out wide, and focus on squeezing your shoulder blades together. Great for countering slouching. 5th, seated dumbbell shoulder press. One of the most effective shoulder builders. Sit tall, dumbbells near your jawline. Press overhead in a smooth arc and lower with control. No arching your lower back. Sets and safety. Aim for 2 to 3 sets of 12 to 20 reps. Start light, master proper form, and increase weight gradually. Strong arms start with good technique, not heavy weights. If this helped you, like the video and follow for more beginner-friendly workouts.